Hey guys, Captain Ron here. Thought I'd do a quick sneak peek and show you some of the current progress of the Red Guardian Shield. So after some epoxying work I've done and everything like that, I have got it to this position. All the pieces are now glued on. This area has been taken care of. And here's some of the back side, what it looks like. Some of the epoxying's been done. Here it is. See how it's all now one piece. Got a little more sanding and some more detail work to finish it up. This is what some of the epoxying, I've done clear epoxy. Now I'm using JB Weld, and this basically will bring this all together as a nice solid area, and then that'll fit over top of the dome of the dish, and we will have ourselves a Red Guardian Shield. Alright guys, just thought I'd give you a quick sneak peek at the goings on. I'll do another full video update here within the day. Alright guys, see ya.